Hello, how you doing today, guys? I'm going to teach you about the product rule. When doing the product rule, four key things we need to remember. First, we're going to multiply that first times the derivative of the second. Once we do that, we're going to add it to the second times the derivative of the first. So, take a second to think that in. This is what we're going to be doing in every single product rule example. I'm going to give you a function here. So now, we need to do the product rule to differentiate this function because there's no other way to do it. So first, we're going to find our first and second function. So our first function here is 3x squared. We're going to call that f. Our second function, the cosine of x, we're going to call that g. Now, what I like to do first is to differentiate the functions. So we're going to take the derivative of 3x squared, which is 6x. Derivative of cosine is negative sine of x. So now we're going to translate this little formula up here and make it into f and g's, because that's what we just did with the function. So f represents our first function. So f is first times the derivative of the second, which we've notated as g prime. We're going to multiply those, then add it to the second, which we notated as g, times the derivative of the first, which is f prime. Now that we have all this written down, it's as simple as plugging it in. So we got 3x squared times negative sine of x. Add that to the second, cosine of x. Derivative of the first, 6x. That's how you do product rule.